So this is the xy coordinate, and in this xy coordinate I have the vector A, which is 30 degree above the x-axis, whose magnitude is 3 meter. I have vector B, which is also 3 meter and which is 90 degree above the x-axis. What I want to do, I want to add this, I want to subtract this to vector this time. So A minus B. A minus B. So vector A minus vector B would be what? So first I'm going to do it by geometry, then I'm going to do by trigonometry, then I'm going to do it by using what do you call it, parallelogram, and then log sine, log cosine, distance formula, Python, and so on. So as you know, I love solving problem multiple ways, at least 10 different ways. Okay, so let's dive in. Alright, so I'm going to write down the problem again so that you always have the original problem as a reference. So I'm going to write down the problem again. So this is my vector A. So you see that a vector B is 3 meter. If B is 3 meter, then negative B should be negative 3 meters. What do I mean? If B is 3 meter, negative B would be equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. So I'm going to draw this blue line, equal in magnitude. This is equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. So this B is now negative 3. Okay. Now we're going to use the geometry to solve this problem. I'm going to remind you, one of the geometry's cool property is that the properties of parallelogram. So A, B, C, D. AB parallel to CD. AC parallel to BD. Angle A congruent to angle D. And the perpendicular bisector. Okay, so we're going to use this feature, we're going to use these properties to solve this problem using geometry. First, we're going to draw a parallelogram. So let's draw the black vector. So I just draw the black vector. Okay. And now I'm going to draw the blue vector. Now I have almost a perfect parallelogram. What am I going to do with this parallelogram? You may ask a question. I want to find the angle. What angle you think I should first find? I find this angle. Because if I know this angle and I draw a diagonal line from the origin to the other end, that it bisect, and that will allow me to find A minus B. So let's find this angle. If this is 3, if this is 30, then this must be 60, and this must be 90. So this angle is this one. So 30 plus 90 is 120. So this is 120. Okay, now I'm going to draw a bisector. So this line bisects the parallelogram in two parts. So if the whole thing is 120 degree, then this one has to be 60 and this one has to be 60. Okay, now let's draw this blue, black and red over here. So first I'm going to draw the blue and then I'm going to draw the red exactly that way you see, and then I'm going to draw the black. Okay, the blue one, the magnitude of blue one is a -3. So the magnitude would be just 3. Remember, negative is just direction. The red one, we're going to find it later. But the black one, this is the black line. I'm sorry, wrong color. This black line is this black line, which is this black line, which is 3. So this is 3. Now let's find the angle before we move on. This we already know, 60. Okay. We also know this one 60 and this one 60. Okay. Then this is equilateral. If this is equilateral, then this must be 3. So A minus B is 3. So then this red line is 3. Okay, because this red line is A minus B, 3 meters. Thank you for watching. Next time I'm going to do using trigonometry. This video is sponsored by Brilliant. Thank you.